I'm right here with you, baby. Yo,
Yeah, what's good, big?
it's good, man.
You still in the church?
Yeah, I'm just posted in front of him right now.
What's going on? Looking like, G, you ain't doing shit, big.
Gold right now is on an exhaustion phase, so it's moving up, but it's an exhaustion of the move down. So right now, I'm just sitting here. Um, Personally, so like right now, there's only like even on the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, there's only like 15 pips if it wants to keep going up. If you do look at it from like 15-minute time frame, breaking this last like minor high, if it wants to go all the way up to the key level that I have marked out at 1641 area, it's it's only about 25 pips in total, which for me is not great if I have like a if I have like a 20 pip stop loss, which I may not have to, but like there's usually a 20 pip stop loss on gold. So seeing that to the next strong level, there's only about 20-25 pips from where it's at right now. um Not saying that it couldn't go up there, but I don't feel comfortable taking the buys up to that level because I know like it could potentially be short lived. So as of now, I'm anticipating the exhaustion move that's moving up to the upside. I'm anticipating that ending at some point. Um, Honestly, that's all I'm kind of thinking about. And so I'm not like shooting off trades right at resistances per se, but I'm marking out the resistance, and seeing how price is moving off of it. And so like this last 15-minute resistance that was created, um, price just kind of broke through it and is currently above it, and no trade was taken at all. But if it comes back inside of that resistance or even creates a new one, back above this area that it just broke, I'll just be marking that out and waiting to take a potential opportunity if it gives me the proper sign. But as of now, bro, I'm really honestly just chilling. You know what I mean? I'm ready to take a trade when need be, but being very patient with it, just because I'm really trying to make sure this week is efficient. You feel me? And I feel like I can know when to take a trade and when not to, and when I'm forcing a trade and when I'm not, type shit. So I'm really just chilling right now. I got the technicals already marked out, and then the fundamentals. If you notice the picture that I sent you about the fundamentals, I basically had the key, kind of like high impact folders, but also like the things that we know. I have those already put on the dollar index, and so I put that fundamental picture on the dollar index, and so I already have the fundamentals technically done. And so Tuesday, which is we're coming into Tuesday, there's two high impact things coming out, which is the ISM manufacturing PMI, and then the I'm just clicking back to it, the ISM manufacturing. And but these are going to be at 7 a.m. our time though, literally. So like these are just like, that's like New York session shit. So, and then the job openings from the jolts. So like the job openings, that's today. That's coming on Tuesday at 7 a.m. our time, and then the ISM manufacturing PMI will be at 7 a.m. our time as well. So like trading this Asian and London session, I'm just waiting for price action at this point, knowing that those Fed fund rates are gonna come on Wednesday, I think, um, which are projected to have a rate hike. The U.S. dollar have a rate hike, one more, um, and then some other little things coming. So yeah, I'm just kind of playing price action right now, knowing that I already kind of have the fundamentals in focus, eyeing themselves. And so yeah, I'm just chilling right now.
No, I feel like I got the, like we talked about last time on some funny shit. Gold and you were so motherfucking similar, nigga, in the way that they move, especially according to the U.S. dollar.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you even want to beat that same type shit that you was like, gold is 25 pips away from it.
Yeah.
The GU's at its minor, most recently created resistance with a fat ass wick on the 1 hour.
Here, I could check that out.
Like, you feel me? Respectfully, if it wants to come up to the key price level that it was at, you feel me, and broke previously with the last strongest support, I can respect that. You feel me? At 15466 type shit, you feel me? 450 type area type shit, you feel me? Even, but other than that, I mean, this would be kind of a really nasty looking double top to me, just because you feel me that the current support resistance levels that it's at, I mean, the most previous support was already broken. And that resistance was just falsified, nigga. It was all wiki. Like, that ain't that major. And it's damn near, it's at it looking like it wants to go through it right now. Anyway. So I'm just like,
Honestly, what I like to see on GU right now is when it comes to price approaching like a key level, or you know what I mean, a level that is really obvious type shit, especially that wick, that resistance, you know what I mean, lower high to a lower low on that 1 hour 30-minute shit. I like when price comes up to that level and creates a new minor double top, double bottom, or at least an order block. It don't even have to be necessarily double top, double bottom, but definitely an order block at that level and then trade from that level. Because if it comes up to that and like fills that wick, which would be totally fine, but plays around enough in it to where there's a new, you feel me, 15-minute, 5-minute double top, triple top type shit, then at that point, you feel me, it becomes a little bit more valid because it is exhausting and you could take it at the top going to the newfound support and then some. So that's kind of actually what I'm waiting for with gold to keep it 1,000 is like price on gold and GU is pushing very similar, just straight green candles type shit. All I'm waiting for is that bitch to approach the level that it wants to slow down at, create a new order block at that level, and then I'm gonna take a trade from there. So like, you feel me? If you look on the daily time frame on gold, there was like a support between two wicks. Basically, on the daily time frame, there's on October 25th and on October 28th, there was a major daily support. Both of those were daily lows. And then on the coming back down on like, let's just go down to like the 30-minute time frame. If you mark those 2 wicks out and then go down to the 30-minute time frame, price has already tested and gone above that level, which is cool. But if you go to the 1 hour on gold, there's a lower high key level that price is kind of like storming towards, right? Kind of just like GU. And so all I'm waiting for is price to come up and potentially touch that 1641 area if that's where it wants to go to. That was the area where I was like, if it breaks this minor high at 1638 and goes up to 1641, that's totally fine. That's that 20-25 pip move. That's cool. But if it creates an order block and wants to reverse at that level and continue the downtrend, that's even better because I'll be able to take advantage of a little bit more directional move at that point. So I'm just kind of sitting here waiting. I was going to stop looking at the charts though around like 9.
No, I feel that guy. I mean, I actually kind of just moved my shit around. I think this makes a little bit more sense. Respect.
Actually, you know what? Honestly, bro, I just found like, nigga, it feels really good to be a patient trader for real. Because at first I was waiting here for the candlestick to close, like 15-minute time frame, for my trade to validate or invalidate. And I was thirsty, wanted some orange juice and all that. And I was like, nah, I'm going to wait here. Because last time, remember, I told you I got up and did a few things. And 3 minutes later, nigga, the shit confirmed and left my entry type shit. So I was like, no, I'm going to actually sit here, be disciplined, but also patient. And as soon as you said something, and I was like, oh shit, like this shit actually has invalidated itself. It's gonna take time to revalidate itself. I can get up and go get some orange juice, nigga. I'm like, oh god.
You feel me? Facts, like, you know, I've been looking at you and shit all day, like,
Yeah.
I know what you want to do, and after I lost from that entry earlier, I'm like, yeah, I knew you was going to choose that spot. That's what's going to be around.
Yeah, obviously, like, you know how both of our pairs are very similar, so I like, if you said you're taking sales, honestly, sales is the only thing I'm actually looking for at this point in time, and I was just kind of waiting for it, so I'll let you know when I get the proper, but for now, yeah, I'm waiting.
I'm not just saying bro, please. I'm waiting for this 5-minute double top and that 3-minute double top. Same for entry in there.
Fuck, bless me. Yeah. Here, I'll keep it 1,000 with you, bro. I'll trade GU with you tonight as well as gold type shit. because at this point, not like speaking on the success that I've been able to find a little bit, but I have been pretty consistent getting these dubs, and I would like to see how I trade this level and you trade this level, and if we could both get a win, if we both lose, whatever the case is. But I'll trade that shit too, and I'm just letting you know right now. I'm gonna wait for the entry on I'm about to load up on this bitch. No, I feel that here. Let me when you can, bro. When you can, we'll do this next session. So honestly, too, real quick, I'm a be here, bro. I'm gonna be here on the charts. From 6 to about 9, and so even if like today I showed up more around like 6:30, 6:45 because I had to cook. But I'm gonna be here from 6 to 9 regardless, sometime in between there. So with that being said, next time we get on here, if you can get on Zoom, and I could put that on my live stream because I'm live streaming right now. So if you can get on Zoom and we could be on there on my live stream, I want you to be able to share your screen, even if you could do it from your phone too. Just like share your screen on Zoom with me, and I could put that on my live stream, and then we could learn from that. Yeah, because that I actually while I was eating my dinner, because I knew I was within the time frame, I was like, fuck it, what can I do that's not distracting while I eat, but that's towards the journey. I was like, shit, let me watch my live stream from yesterday while I eat, because that's the most valid recent thing with everything that I did to refresh myself from why I made the decisions that I made, and then everything like that. And then I realized I learned a lot, and I felt good watching my own live stream to see, oh wow, I said that was gonna happen, and this is what it took for it to happen, and now I get it. It flows well. All right, bet. You know what I mean?
Nah, facts, bro. And you wanna know why I said I loaded up on this bitch just now?
Shit, wow.
Range, go to the 3-minute time frame. Do you see that fucking range?
Not the 3 minute.
Nothing in sight. For 40 pips at least.
Yeah, say here. I'm gonna do a quick top down analysis on that pair real quick, and then get back at you. Hey, bitch, get that shit out of here. I was wondering why I had all these words on here. But yeah, for sure. Actually, yeah. Honestly, the funny thing is, this is how I know they move hella similar. Now they're G Gold is doing the same thing that GU's doing.
Oh, I got up to that level?
It came up to A level. It wasn't the pristine level that I had marked out on the 1 hour, but it did come up to a level near that and just rejected pretty heavily. And so basically for me, I would need it to at least give some sort of retest to the resistance that it just made, or just something, just some sort of attempt, something. But I see where I could take a trade. Here, I'm gonna try to do a quick top-down analysis on GU real quick, and then go from there.
Say less.
Hey, bitch. Yeah, that shit about to flip right now. I keep having to go back to gold because now it pushed up, and now it's doing that exhaustion. So I'm definitely trying to make sure I don't miss that if it creates something good.
I'm looking at gold too for you right now. Why you just looking at you?
Yeah, keep peeping that because I'm marking some shit out on GU.
I see what you mean when you said it did come to a resistance though.
You feel me? Literally, I don't even give a fuck what time frame you look at. 15 minute, 30 minute. It came to a resistance for sure, but it wasn't for me. I'd be trying to look at it as okay, if price broke this super key level at 1641 area, then I'm okay, there's probably a change coming, right? You feel me?
Area.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm getting that fatty exhaustion, which is cool. It probably will end up. Ooh, are you gonna give me a bro? If you give me a retest, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Oh, okay, I know exactly how I'm about to trade this bitch. I know exactly how I'm. All right, 15-minute gold. 15-minute. If it, you know how it's going up right now. 15-minute. If this candlestick or any other candlestick after it ends up breaking that shooting star low, I'm in there.
Say less.
I'm in there for sure. Cause now that's exactly what the fuck I needed, bro. Cause all this was, like, if we took a fucking breakout trade, it's just a break and fake.
Yeah.
That's it. You feel me? Yeah, it pushed up. Like, let's say we wanted that whole 25 pips. You feel me? All the way to that level. It pushed up, gave you like, shit, I would say 10, 15, which is not bad. You feel me? 10, 15, maybe a little more, 16 type shit. And now it's like, nah, we're cool. If you didn't, hey, if you Raja, bet you got paid today. If you're not that man for the 10, 15 pips for the $1,000 million, yeah, you're fucked. I'm taking that. Whatever you think you got in that, nah, I'm taking that away.
Nah, fact. Look, I'm on GU 3 minute.
Yeah.
I have some alerts real quick right up in candlesticks, bro. I'm not finna have this bullshit today with that shit trying to not enter a nigga. Gold is creeping a 3 minute double top as well, though. So be wary of that. Like, if we can get a bounce up off this level real quick, it may continue going back up.
Yeah.
Last higher high and stop at 1641.
Yeah.
You feel me? If not, it is definitely showing some bears coming into play.
Fuck
and,
yeah.
Bulls being heavily relieved at the moment.
Alright, I'm in there already. Oh God, I'm in there. What do you mean, bro? I'm in there. What are you talking about?
Like, Bulls got relieved. Hell, Lord.
Yeah, bro. You're not. Look, bro. And this is how, like, for me, bro, I anticipate the way I actually execute trades. I anticipate being able to go honestly straight into profit soon type shit. Like, that's what I anticipate type shit. And based off of the 15-minute candlestick that I just technically traded, if it ends up starting to break the high of that candlestick, I'll probably cut the trade a little bit early. And that'll probably be at like 8 pips stop loss. But my stop loss is currently 15 pips.
No, yeah, that's solid. I really need just knowing that they both gonna do the same thing. If you feel me, the Bulls are being relieved that hard on gold. But back, you feel me, is kind of on the indecisive candle. We just need that one last fucking leg of exhaustion, bitch, for the solid, clear, technical double top, and I'm valid.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
I won't enter, honestly, with myself until I see that shit, just because even when I'm looking at on the 3 to 5, even the 1, this V-top ain't valid, dude. I'm not having it.
On GU?
Yeah, that shit ain't valid, dude. Like, there's way too much price action at this level, even on the 30-minute time frame, for niggas to say, oh, yeah, we're just gonna tap the key price level and run away. It's not even a solid fucking price level. It's 15135. Bitch, you're not gonna just tap that and run away, nigga. There's nothing there, nigga. Like, if this whole, oh my god, bro, if this whole 30-minute candle just flipped like that, and I can't get this solid entry, I'm gonna be upset, respectfully. Just because I fucked myself like that off the exhaustion play. Was trying to figure out why a nigga couldn't get entered. I knew I only had so much time before I had to go to the second part of my fucking appointment before the surgery tomorrow, nigga. I was like, man, I'm about to sock this shit, bro. Try to enter like 3 pips early. That shit, literally, if I had 3 more pips back in my damn stop loss, never would have got triggered. I mean, hot, nigga. So I'm like, nah, bro, we're not doing that for literally shit tonight, G. You don't want to tap my shit while I want to be tapped in that. I don't got no FOMO, bitch. It's Halloween, nigga. I ain't got fear of shit tonight.
Look, I want you to imagine my entry real quick, and then I'm gonna send it to you. Just imagine it. Yeah, look at gold, and then just imagine what my entry looks like. And I'm sending it to you right now. So I have 2 positions on. I'm gonna cut one of them so like, obviously I just sent you a picture and the TP looks really big. I'm cutting one of my positions at the support, at this 15-minute support.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so and that'll technically be like a 1-to-1. And so I have a 15 lot running. and that 15 lot going to get, I'll just say 15 pips. I think it's a little more, but I'll just say 15 pips. The 15 lot going to get 15 pips. What is that?
15 times
15 times 15. 15 times 15. So that would be 225. So that's 0.5% risk. And then I'll let the other one run. And if that other one goes all the way, the the take profit is 65. So 15 lot times 65 would be 975.
That's good love.
Yeah, so that'll be like if that does want to go, that'll be like a little over a 2% a day or night. Yeah, for the count. But we'll see, man. We'll see, cause it's probably gonna try to game goof. I noticed like sometimes, bro, like I'll enter, it'll try to go against my shit, and then it'll revalidate, and I gotta enter again, and it'll be fine, like, cause that happened today. Like, you feel me? Cause like the win always makes up the loss, but cause like I could take right now, I could take like a $300 loss and still turn around and make that same shit that I just mentioned, like a little over $1,000, and be up still. You feel me? A little over 1% type shit, like 1.5. So it always works out with positive risk reward.
Is your have you been able to hit with the big lots more than once?
Yeah, it was on 3 times. So like the big lot. So right now my account from the time I started it is up 20%.
What the fuck?
Yeah, look, I'm literally, so like I had multiple like 1 and 2% days, but the big trades covered a lot, and I noticed all I did with the big trades was leverage the profit that I was in. So like even if I would have lost those big trades, I really would have just went back to break even, which is not great, but it's like kind of like a risk I was willing to take. But my account is currently sitting at, the demo one is currently sitting at 60,000 from 50,000.
That's crazy, guys.
Yeah, and I'm up $10,100. So like I definitely want to see what this next one would do, but yeah, I don't know.
I got one question for you then, guys. Are you going to behave the same way when it comes time for this challenge in a couple weeks?
Yeah, so basically my plan is to just simply take like 0.5% risk trades until it builds up a little bit in my account, and then as long as I'm in the flow, and let's say, you feel me, I'm closing for 0.5%, 1%, you know what I mean, on average, like every day, if possible, for like the first like few days or even the first week. Then with the comfortability and the confidence, then I'll take like the larger positions type shit. And the larger positions was really no more than risking like 1 to 2%, which is still like a lot of risk, like 1 to 2% based off of challenge account standards. But in terms of just like managing an account, risking 1 to 2% on a trade to go get 4 or 5% is, you feel me? Like, cause that's what I did. I risked like 2% one day on a trade, and it hit for like.
I swear, 50 lot on there, guy.
Huh? I threw 100 lot on that bitch.
100?
I threw 100 lot, bro. I ain't going cap. And that 100 lot was worth like 2 or 3% of my account. So like I threw the 100 lots, and it was actually worth. I remember. I threw the 100 lots, and it was worth like 3% of my account if I would have lost. Like I would have lost 3 whole percent, but I hit 14%.
You hit for how much, dude?
14.
14?
Yeah. So I threw like, nigga, I threw fat lots, and based off of where I was gonna cut it, but based off of where, like, if it lost, I had kind of a pretty tight stop loss. Like, it still would have been valid, but it was tight. And then where I was still willing to take the trade, no matter how much I had on that bitch, whether it was heavy or light, that shit was like a 10, 12, 14% gain. So I was like, all right, bet. Like, I could do that again.
That's crazy, dude.
Like, I could do that again, bro. I could throw, you feel me? Because, like, nigga, like, right now, I may have to cut one of these positions. But, like, that's what's going to help, though. As long as I'm willing to cut a position when it's invalidating itself, you feel me? And then I could just re-enter, that's totally fine. Because, like, right now, on the 15-minute time frame, it's kind of heading back to the high of the candle that I took that I wanted to potentially continue. Now, there is 5 minutes left. And so I'm going to watch it on the 5-minute time frame to see if it actually breaks this lower high wick. Now, if it does, that just means it's going to head, in my opinion, it's going to head a lot closer to that high that it just made. And that's really close to my stop loss, which is deep in drawdown, technically. For a 15 pip stop loss, it'll be like 13, 14 pips in drawdown. So I'll cut it now and be ready to take it again if it revalidates itself type shit. I haven't cut it yet, But that would be my plan. It's like, okay, like if you want to start looking a little foodidly, I'm gonna cut you early and wait. And if you give me what I need again, bet it's up, my nigga. Cause I know when I'm up, nigga, I'm gonna hit for way more than what I lost. So like, it's just about being, you feel me, doing those numbers and being patient.
Nah, facts, and that's what B. I'm not even gonna hold you. I just put 20 right on this bitch.
Mm-hmm. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't even look at GU. Huh? Let me look at GU.
GU looks pretty right now. Yeah.
Yeah, GU looks pretty. So I'm waiting to see if maybe gold does that same thing. Cause GU gave that like really pretty 5-minute double top, 15-minute exhaustion wick retest. Yeah, I like the way GU's looking right now.
You feel me? I need these to hit too, respectfully. Because the 20 lot's getting cut mad early if it don't.
Yeah. Nah, but just know, cause you asked me about like the big lots and shit. Just know, like that wouldn't be like my plan. Even when we're like trading like our own account, you feel me? Like we have the account we want, right? It wouldn't be like my everyday choice to put up 2-3% risk on a single trade, but it would be desirable for me as long as I'm in the proper flow of managing risk and actually winning trades, and then just taking the same type of trades that you feel me, took in to win. If I'm taking the same type of trade and I've seen it before, I believe in it, knowing that it still has the potential to lose. But if it wins, it's putting me way up. And if I lose, it's just a small dent that I can always make back with small trades. So, you know, that's what I'm thinking. I would love to have, you feel me, a day where we have the $50,000, $100,000 account. You feel me, we're already up 6% or something. And I risked 2% to go get another 6% in one trade. And that just took us from 6% to 12%. Nigga, and we're up, you feel me, like up. And it wasn't even nothing more than a regular ass 1 to 2, 1 to 3 trade, just with like good ass like fat lots on there.
Nah, facts, nigga. And if I could look, respectfully, right now I got 35. If this bitch will stop fucking playing, all right.
Yeah, what, it come back up? Cause I'm watching gold right now, and it's like,
nigga, as soon as it opened, it was on the low side, closed instantly, indecisive, and then opened at the top.
yeah, I think right now, honestly, because this is what I noticed. You know how I said, like, the shit be fucking trying to pressure my trade? I cut it and then re-enter. That always fucks me up because I always have a loss in the account when I didn't need it. Because sometimes I'll cut that bitch and it don't actually hit the stop loss. It just played deeper in where I wanted to go. And then I have a minor loss in that bitch. And then when I win, it cuts deep into that profit. So I'm like, right now, I kind of just want to hold it and be patient with it, because I do believe in it, bro. Like, I ain't gonna cap. Like, this is the perfect type of trade that I like to take.
Bro, I moved stop loss on 20 lot only just so it's definitely not really risking shit. But everything else is being held. I believe that there's a lot of order flow at this level alone. I'm seeing a lot of fucking action right now. So I definitely am on the same side as you, B. I believe in it. For me, 20 lots literally only risking $80, nigga, to go get fucking 400.
Bro, no cap. GU and gold definitely look very similar on like how they have an exhaustion at the top, and then this next candle is kind of like foodidly a little bit. Hasn't really chosen where it wanted to go.
Bro, gold be having me rattled because it's like, nigga, when I see that shit on gold, you see how you actually came and tested the high?
Hold on, what time frame?
3 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm flopping between both of those, and I'm looking at gold like, bitch, you're showing me that there's a little bit left in the U.S. dollar to come up real quick one time.
Yeah, let me check so the Dixie right now, I'll keep it a band. The Dixie is double bottoming right now on that 3 minute.
Ooh, yeah, you right. I just peeped him.
Yeah, so with the major, with truthfully a major exhaustion candle. So we'll see what this next one wants to do. Obviously, the pairs are directly inverted. So, you know, you trade in gold, you trade in GU, and I'm trading gold. It's literally they're affected by the same nigga over here, and that nigga's definitely double bottoming right now. So wait till that nigga wants to explode up, break its minor high. It's double bottom neckline, and it should be good. It should be greenery. But I'll be honest though, my fault. Go ahead.
30 minute has no wick on the top on the Dixie, but the only thing is the Dixie is not at a very strong level.
It's not at any level. I'll keep it a band with you. It's not at any level. So what I noticed, just price action conversation, it has pushed past that minor support on the 30-minute time frame. It's lower than it. But all that means is it's a push phase past that level is gonna need some form of exhaustion. It just needs it. Like imagine taking a sell right now and thinking and hoping and praying it keeps going down after it ain't created no resistance.
No, facts.
You feel me?
It is at a level. It's at a key price level, though, not a fucking psychological level. It's at a 111, 250. And I seen that in the article. Like if that level, if that area is broken, has a chance to, you feel me, respect the highs that were made and come all the way down to 111 flat on the bottom.
Hey, do me a favor real quick. Watch gold for me. I'm about to load up the bigs in my kitchen. 15. Do we got a green 15-minute candle?
No. He's like, yeah, I had to go down to the time frame. He's like, all the 15s are very indecisive right now. I went back to the 3. Everything is indecisive right now. Like, it's going back and forth, back and forth. I think it's going to get one last little kick up.
Yeah.
We're just hoping.
Oh, yeah, we did just get the new 1 hour candle. God damn it. I told my shorty about that shit, bro. She was like, aren't you gonna show up at 6? I was like, low key, baby, I ain't gonna cap. Like, if I come right at the hour open, there's gonna be some fluidity going on. I mean, I might as well come at 6:15, 6:30 while you feel me, that they had a chance to do the opposite shit. So, yeah, right now it's not doing what I wanted to do, bro. I'll keep it a man with you. Like, I might have to actually cut it.
Look, GU, just nigga push very hard, so open is keep stopping, my nigga.
Yeah.
Gold is very rangy as well at this level. It's coming up for an entry.
Close to the top. I'll keep it banned. I'm gonna keep this position. Oh wait. No way. How'd it tag me out? What? That tagged me out early though. It tagged me out before it even got there. Spread. I felt like the spread was high because the shit, I didn't even look at the spread before entering because it usually don't even like matter hella to me. But I'm ready to take another trade, by the way, though, when it revalidates itself. But nigga, look, it's about to be, bro, I'm taking it. Yeah, I'm taking it now because the stop loss would be pretty like minimal. And it started showing its exhaustion already, so. Let's see if we can get this.
Oh my god, bro. I just went back to GU, bro. The 5-minute has to be the ugliest shit I've ever seen now. I went from looking hella pretty to what the fuck.
Let me see.
Next dip down, if I don't get a break, I'm cutting the 20 lot, nigga.
Yeah, let me see this real quick. 39, what is that? 39.50?
Cause look, we didn't even have all the technical data comes out of New York, huh?
Yeah, so that's why I'm like, I'm playing that now because I'm like, bro, you literally come out in NY, like, there ain't about to be nothing crazy going on at this point that I need to be like tripping about. So I'm gonna fuck with them. But I have another entry though, bro. I entered, so I did lose the first one, but I entered another one, and these would be like my 2 ideas for the night, and then I'm on call tomorrow, and so I'll trade in the morning as well.
Yeah, I'd say less. Look, and I just looked higher. Look, daily time frame has done nothing but been bullish all day. Tested ice for 8 hours, nigga, or almost 8 hours. 4 hours, same shit. I have a retest at my key price level. Bitch, if you're gonna break that, my nigga, it would be breaking it off a V-bottom. After a very strong 4-hour double top in a fat-ass range that lasted, nigga.
So look, bro, hold on, my fault. Not even to cut you off. Bro, you remember my first entry, right?
Yeah.
It tagged me out, but what did it not do?
You said it tagged you out?
But what did it not do? Price.
Yeah. No.
It did not break that high of the wick.
Oh, yeah, where was your stop loss at? I never knew your stop loss.
Yeah, I get maybe, so, that probably was the problem. I was already planning on cutting the trade before it got to the stop loss. But my stop loss was, I guess it was inside the motherfucking wick or right at it. And then the spread took me out. Because it's only like Price only came a few pips away from that wick high, and my stop here. Let me look, bro. Let me look. Hold on. Let me look.
Ooh, hold on. I need you to look at something.
Bro, I'm finally in profit at least. Go ahead. What?
1 minute GU. Do we hold this candlestick and think it's gonna break? You feel me completely, or nigga cut this 20 lot right now while it's at least in some profit, at least 100.
Nah, hold that. This was the play around. You feel me? It's a 1 minute order block. That shit about to go. And even if this 5 minute candle, cause it just opened. So even if there's a minor retest, I still feel like this whole pattern that it's created is gonna go. So like I'm finally in some, you feel me, some decent profit, my nigga. Like take a loss and take a win right back. You feel me? So I'm not even tripping.
Nah, facts. You feel me? I'm level. I think I'm level 1% right now.
Okay, cool. Here, let me send you a screenshot of the new one just so it's in the messages, and then we'll go from there.
See, that's one thing I can say about GU, bro. GU be on some fuck shit, but like, yeah, I'm happy at what I'm looking at right now. At least when it makes its move, I'm gonna need it to, you feel me, my knock on wood, bitch. You typically at times like this, it's making its move, nigga. It's 8 o'clock Asian. It's making its move.
Fuck yeah, it is, bro. And like that's what, bro. It's just crazy because this trade, and now I'm gonna realize like I'm gonna be able to miss this the loss version of this because this has happened to me twice now, vividly in the last 24 hours. It validated, it created like an opportunity. I took it, it broke it, but revalidated itself. I took the second one. The second one was good, and so. Shit, bro. That's how I'm coming from now on. Like I might have to be a little bit more patient. It wasn't a bad entry, wasn't a bad stop loss, but I could be a little bit more patient because I like to be at the extremes of levels. You feel me?
No, I feel that 100%.
Yeah, I like to be at the extremes, but low key, what was the original stop loss, bro? I don't even think I have that shit. I guess it was at 40.18. Let me see. 48. Nigga, it did not hit 40.18, but the spread got it.
Yeah, I'm about to go look at that bid right now.
40.18 was exactly at the wick high, 5 minute.
Yeah, that shit definitely didn't touch that bitch.
It didn't touch that bitch.
That's what? Nigga, I'm about to measure.
I'm measuring it too, nigga.
I'm petty like that, bitch. You're wow.
One? Do you got one? Two. I have 1.1. Let me spread it up. Let me spread it real quick. 2 pips away. 1.6 to be honest. 1.6. And it tagged me out. But I'm not tripping though, because look at that bitch now. So the new entry is at 39.50. Look at it now.
Come on.
Look at it now.
Hold on. Look. Keep looking at it.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at it because I'm ready to take profit at this support.
I need Dixie to break this high real quick.
Okay, hold on.
Nigga, I went straight down the lower time frames. Break this high, nigga, because the Dixie's gapped as fuck right now.
We'll put it at 37.
Break it, yes. Okay, cool. Don't wig.
32.
I will take this 20 lot, nigga. I'll take 1%. I gotta. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm running right now. I ain't gonna lie. So I lost exactly what I lost. I'm already up again.
Look at that 1 minute, bro. What you think? With 20 lot, I still got you. Feel me? 15 running.
I honestly think it's fine. Like I think the overall idea, if I'm gonna be real with you, based off what your stop loss is, whatever it is, I would at least go for 1-to-1 before you do anything with that first one. And then even letting price come down to even the minor resistance on the 5 minute. Even down there, because that's not a lot, and that's like something like price can do like just normal. Like that's only another 5-6 pips. Imagine another $100. You feel me, on top of that trade.
No, yeah, you right.
And it's valid. That's the biggest thing. It's valid. Like it's not invalid at all. It's very valid. So I fucks with him.
Break even. It's literally like 3 pips away from TP, like you said.
Right.
226 right now. I just want to go grab 1% to $300 on it.
Yeah.
Look, let's have 250 on the dot. I know you can get there.
Nah, facts. I honestly think we could come down. So I think both of our trades could come down to the support, like the most recent support made on the 5 minute bare minimum, like both of them.
Nah, facts. Yeah, I'm right in the middle of a fucking candlestick. Like if I keep getting this reversal bullshit, the only reason that has me worried is I have no wick on the top. Zero.
Look here, let me. I'm gonna go to GU just to look. Okay, we both have the same 3 minute candlestick, red. We have the same thing. At that point, bro, I will allow price to retrace at least some of that, knowing that the power of that and it broke the low. There should be minimal bullish push and more bearish push after something like that. To be honest, because if I took a breakout trade and saw that come back to my entry, I'm like, bro, I'm playing a dangerous game if I'm about to hold this buy. You feel me?
Yeah, if this was a breakout, yeah, that'd be nasty.
Yeah, bro. So I'm just, you feel me? I see it. It's not even on no belief or faith shit, but also like really on some like, I feel like I understand how price moves. You feel me? Like you pushed high, created a resistance, first leg came back up, second leg broke the neckline. At that point, you can exhaust all you want. You can exhaust naturally, but the next move after the exhaustion of that push phase is back lower, and I'm watching it happen right now. And it's not even on no, it's not even on what we was on before. Where I was like, bro, you just gotta believe in God, my nigga is good. Nah, my nigga, like you gotta really just know price action, my nigga. Like, no, it's an art to how this shit happens, but it's very systematic. So if you follow the system, you should be good more times than not, and that's where you feel me, a 50-60% win rate mixed with a 1-2, 1-3 plus risk to reward ratio is gonna have us in good standings and allows us to take minor losses along the way.
But I think I need to allow myself that even when I be asleep, I think I'm gonna have to put a little bit more faith back in the mix in my equation internally. Because I don't like the fact that like when I cut my shit, I woke up to 100 pips in profit and wasn't it.
Yeah, that's a fact. Cause low key, it didn't break or touch the stop loss, bro, or even touch the level that would invalidate it.
The only thing that, bro, the only thing that had me pissed off, so like you be going to bed kind of early. I was waiting, in here chilling, vibing out, listening to music, body tight. So I'm like, bro, I'm just chilling, bro. Fuck the bullshit, nigga. I was watching that shit on my laptop for nearly 2 hours and didn't even peep it.
Then peep what?
Then I was watching it for almost 2 hours. Nigga, I'm in here listening to Russell and some more shit. We're in the room, still had it on the phone. Nigga, I'm in there, nigga. Turn on a little show from this shit Snowfall, nigga. Bitch, I must have watched like almost a whole damn episode. Check that shit. It was still. I said, all right, bro, fuck it. I'm going to bed, bro. Like you keep poking just barely good enough into 0.5% profit. All right, bro. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that bitch. I didn't have multiple positions on it, so it was like, bro, I'm not doing this shit tonight. But then I woke up mad as hell, like, all right, bro, I can't even hold my nigga. Like I said, I'm kind of mad. Nigga, I was tight as fuck. Nigga, 100 pips in profit.
Yeah, that's a TP. That's percentages we're talking about.
Bro, that would have been 1,500 that night, bro, and I'm sick, nigga. Like
that's hella percent.
Ran through.
Ain't 250? Ain't 250 1%?
Yeah.
That would have been hella percent. I don't even know what percent. It would have just been hella percent. We're talking like what? We're talking like 5%. Yeah, that's love. See, like, yeah, see. And I feel like you don't even always have to put, like, I do realize, like, I don't always have to put fat lots to get good profit. But it's like once I do put the fat lots on the same trades that are, okay, yep, take this quick 1-1, 1-2 for the nice little 2%. And just let the rest run like I do every other trade. And that shit goes. And one position just hit for fucking 6%. For an 8%, nigga. You feel me? Like, I'm even waiting for this one. Like, this one, if this one goes, since the numbers are, I have the same take profits, but higher entry. You feel me? Same take profits, higher entry. So that 1,000 is turning into more like 1,500 my damn self. Which is a nice little 3%, bro, for the night or for the day. Bro, we're talking numbers. Like, I could definitely put a whole 1% on another trade after that the next day and still be up. You know what I mean?
Look, the $5 lot itself is supposed to get 1.5% with very extreme minimal risk, and I'm already up. You feel me? What was up 0.5%, and then nigga, the standard. I want to say the standard's coming in. Let me measure that bit. The standard's coming to get 2, so that's 3.5%. Plus, you feel me? This John right here can come get me another percent. I'm trying to get 4% tonight off this move, and I'm not even asking for no 100 pips. bitch, the 5 can run for 80, but I'm really only asking for, you feel me, 50 and 20, which is doable. And it's at very precise levels with that nigga, this range on the 5 minute, that's why I'm like, bro, I would really need you to push down there. That shit's fat, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like, I keep looking at it like, nigga, I almost really want to just say, fuck that. Stop being so fucking worried. Take the 20 laps of 147. What is that? 147.60 on the dot. Like, look at that shit on for me on G 5 minute or whatever time frame you can zoomed out.
Give me the first TP.
First, shit, I'll go to the tournament. For the standard or for the highest TP?
Nah, just whatever the soonest one.
Right now it's at 149.62.
Okay.
Right
yeah, right at that resistance.
You feel me? And I'm thinking, like, you feel me? Like you said, that is a resistance, but it's a 5 minute tiny ass order block resistance. I'm thinking more like.
It's a 15.
Okay, yeah. What you think about 147.60 though? Is that hella deep for the 20? Is it asking a bit much out the market?
147.
760, yeah.
You know what I'm gonna tell you about it? It's not too much. It'll just take time.
Nah, facts.
Like there will probably be like, keep it 100. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, I can easily see at least 10, 15-minute candles to get there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the 20 as a scalp then, respectfully.
Okay. And like I said though, that's not too much because I got the 15 lot running. I'm gonna have my second 15 lot running. If you look at gold, just real quick, I'm gonna have that bitch running to 1632.
From where'd you enter?
From 3950.
1632 flat.
1632 flat.
And that's, you only got, how many entries you got?
Two. So I'll take the first one. My first one's gonna be cut at, you could say 1637.
Alright.
So at that support, 15-minute support, I'll take the first one at that. And then my last one, I'll just take it all the way down to the bottom. Because even if it'll take time and I do go to sleep, I'm cool with the first initial profit. You know what I mean? Like the first initial profit is cool. I bet. Let's go get the rest.
Nah, facts. I feel that.
Yeah, we'll see. It's definitely looking, if you look at the 30 minute, it's definitely looking like it is the exhaustion phase of the exhaustion. So I'm definitely looking for that to continue. If I'm looking at yours 30 minute, you could definitely see evidently as well that this, because the trend is down, but the phase is up to exhaust. So I mean, at that point, I like to see the exhaustion phase exhausting for a continuation trade back down. And at the end of the day, bro, the main momentum is down. So like that's why I'm also very not confident, but like comfortable. I'm comfortable with the sell because we're in the direction of the motherfucking momentum of the market. You know what I mean? So hey.
I mean, really all niggas need, bro, like just to know that I'm on the right side of it. I mean, that's good enough.
No, yeah, you feel me? Because I can honestly look back at this and, you know, because I'm live streaming this shit, you know what I'm saying? So I could look back at this and look back at all my thinking. I have my notes. I'm watching every candlestick. So at that point, I'm going to either win or I'm going to learn. And during this phase, I'll rather take these lessons now and then learn from them and then just execute on them correctly with the challenge. So I can, you feel me, first time around before the New Year's comes, I'm walking into the new year with the account ready. Even if I'm not taking profit from it before the new year, I'm nigga ready to take it, you know what I mean, after the new year comes. So it's looking good right now though, bro. 15 minute, I'm gonna go back to GU, but 15 minute has made its candlestick high. It's coming back to the low. I feel like there's heavy potential to start coming back to fill that 15-minute wick, which is small, but that'll be good sign, and then break that wick and go down to the bottom. And first TP.
I was on the 5 on gold and saw the retest and then saw it flip back down, letting us know that bears are definitely still, nigga. That nigga got the sticks right now.
I'll keep it a band. GU's doing the same thing though. 15 minute. I mean, I'm sure lower time frame too, but like 15 minute, You know, if you think about structure, like this, is how I like to look at it too. Looking at GU 15 minute, like structurally, just based off of the candlestick. Look at the last 15 minutes. So like, okay, boom, not the red 15 minute, but the green one right next to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
That has a higher low and a higher high within the candlestick. Then the next candlestick broke that lower low. And now at that point, now you have a break of structure. It's lower time frame, but it's break of structure candlestick wise. And now the next candlestick should not invalidate that previous one, even if there's an exhaustion phase in it, and should continue that momentum down. You feel me? Because a lot of people, the only I learned, and I kind of started believing because I was thinking about this earlier. Somebody told me, and I forget who it was, but somebody told me that when imagine you taking a breakout trade, right? Okay, you take a breakout trade and it goes up a little bit in your favor, but somebody else had a sell right at that level that you took a buy, right? So once it started going against them and enough people had sells and it's going against them and you took a buy, which is totally fine, them exiting their sales and losses and giving back their liquidity is giving the market a reason to come back and retest, because once they changed their sell positions to buys, it basically put more leverage in that direction and is going to have to come back and retest, if that makes sense. I don't even know if that makes sense.
No, that makes sense, because I thought about it like looking at this on the 5 and the 3 minute. Like if somebody was to buy right here at this low,
Right.
and they seen some profit, yeah, bitch, you seen some profit. But if I was trading this, I would have already taken myself out.
And it's like when somebody, if you took that breakout trade, say there's 100 million Rajas out there trading the same thing, and they saw the break of this structural level, they took a buy, they got 10, 15 pips in profit, they took profit, they turn their buy positions into sales by taking profit. That, I think that makes more sense. So once they took profit, price is going to automatically reverse because enough people have just liquidated their positions and changed their bias. You feel me?
Not facts. So,
Yeah.
I mean, definitely after that double top, after all that ranging, I'm pretty sure even the dumbest trader had to change their bias by now.
For sure. Unless you got a fucking fat ass stop loss.
Exhausting on GU, even zoomed out. Like, I went back to 1 hour. If niggas really think GU's about to exhaust all the way back up to like 15470, 15470, niggas is bugging, bro. That's a lot. Like, that's a lot of movement.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and that was the 1 hour?
Huh?
And that was the 1 hour?
Yeah, you feel me? Like, that's the next highest level it can go to. If it wanted to come fill this wick and then break it, it'd have to come all the way up there. And it's like, all right, nigga, like, not saying that you can't be, but I was right last night and had to nigga kick myself in the ass because you did 100 last night at the same exact time that we're trading right now. Well, I guess, you feel me, 4 hours from now I did that same shit. But nigga, now we're back here right before it. If niggas really think it's going, you feel me, use that very janky 1 hour double bottom looking shit and break all of this, you feel me, without coming down to at least 14760 type shit, or at least 148 flat. Niggas is bugging. Like,
niggas is bugging.
At this point, bitch, you have to. Just cause I'm not stupid. I know I'm not. Bro, you know what's funny? But like, you feel me? You already know, like, niggas been real close and chopping up with, you feel me, potential wifey and things.
Facts.
My shorty that I kicked it with, bro, nigga, she sent me the nasty. Talking about happy Halloween. Like,
wait, shorty, who you fucking with, or?
Nah, not the wifey. The shorty that I was kicking it with before wifey came in the picture.
Wow.
Bro, she got the acid dog, and I have, nigga. This is what 4 times of shutting this bitch down. Like, I'm not fucking him. But when she sent the picture, God, but I gotta keep it down with you, B. I looked at that shit, and nigga got real warm. Like, hey, bitch. I'll really pull up right now. She's like, yeah, just come take a shot.
Shit, nigga, yep, I'll come take a shot for sure. Back shots, nigga.
Bro, look, and nigga, her house is literally 2 minutes from the gym. When she sent the picture, I said, yo, whoa, chill out, B. I gotta go home. I gotta get on the chart.
Damn. And she sent that shit today, right?
Huh?
She sent that shit today?
Yeah, bro, literally, like, when I texted her, I was like, bro, I'm about to leave the gym. She had sent that shit, like, right after that, nigga.
And you're like, fuck, bro. Like, I low-key, nigga, don't touch that. I need that.
Nigga, you feel me? And I'm like, fuck. But the only thing is, you feel me? I'm like, bro, I don't want to have no awkward, off energy. I don't want shit shifting in the motion of, nigga, how I'm vibing with wifey.
Yeah.
I for her, God, like, nigga, she got the assy too, but everything else is better.
Yeah.
Like, everything else, inside shit and outside, you feel me, is better. You feel me? The assy on shorty, though, it's just, it's that ghetto movie, nigga. That shit look like it moves all over that. Nigga, look, oh damn. Look, I know you get to smack him, but she got the Angel Welch, nigga.
Yeah, I ain't get to go all there.
Like put River's legs on Angel.
Oh, you gotta chill. What the fuck she send you, bro? Was it costume vibes?
Bro, big nasty costume vibe though. It was some shit off Mortal Kombat, nigga. She barely had any clothes on.
Yeah, disrespectful, bro.
And she was, nigga, she's not going nowhere. Cause she was like, man, I took my son out earlier for Halloween. I just took him to his auntie's house and shit, but my car's fucked up. I'm not going nowhere. She's not really trying to be around a bunch of people, nigga. She was like, I still got the outfit on, know what's up. She sent me the snap. I was like, bitch, you gotta calm down, bro.
Aggressive.
Like, bro, this, like I said, bro, this is number 4, and I'm like, nigga, I ain't care nothing, bitch, but you just don't know what a nigga has going on in the background. Now, let Shorty ever say, nigga, I need some space. I'm not even gonna hold you about after the picture I got today, bro. I'm gonna have to go smack him, bro, because that shit looks crazy, bro.
It looks crazy.
Bro, I look like I was looking at some porn in front of Planet Fitness, nigga.
Say less. Say less. Yeah, that's that shit. No kizzy. But shit, man. We got order blocky. 3-minute time frame on gold. So I'm assuming 3 minute. It's probably an order blocky on GU too.
GU's looking disgusting.
What's it look like on the 3? I'll go look.
5 and 3 is both order block, but 3 minutes out at the higher order block.
Oh, that's fine. That's not terrible. Cause really, all you see, honestly, bro, is just a break, exhaust, first leg, second leg. It'll fall like motherfucking gold about to fall. Let me look at, I mean, shit, the dollar index doing the same shit, no cat, so.
It's ranging?
It's ranging because it did a double bottom, so DXY did a double bottom 3-minute time frame, and it's ranging at the top.
Yeah.
It don't look bad though. I'll keep it a band. It really don't look bad.
So close to TP. God is starting to make me angry, nigga. Oh, that team, nigga. Like, you literally, my 20 lot has been sitting at $200 consistently for like the last 11 minutes, B.
Oh no, I gotta keep it 100. Go to the dollar index real quick.
Yeah, G, you might be breaking this low.
Go to the dollar index real quick though.
I'm on it. I'm on
All right, go to 30.
30.
Low key, you see that support that it broke?
You said the support it broke?
Yeah, around 11. Here, so you know it's already 111, so 3 ones. 36 level area.
36. Yes.
Yeah, all right, so it broke that support push phase, and it came up to exhaust. I would hate to think, if we're thinking about this the same way, that it may want to come down again.
Look, and I'm thinking about that, and that's why I said I was watching that bitch on the 5 to see if I can at least get the deeper exhaustion play back up to 111, 385 type area.
All right. Now you gotta go look at gold 5-minute.
See, look, and GU's not on the same type of time. It flipped. It literally just flipped hard as hell.
Back up after it was pushing down.
Yeah, it just put nigga like 5 minute double bottom.
Ah, fuck. This shit got me wanting to cut the small one low key.
Bro, the 20 lot, like nigga, I'm not even seeing 200 on my phone right now. I need you to go back right there, and I might have to take it because I'm back at 140.
Ah, talk to me nice real quick. Ah.
Gold is doing what it's supposed to do. Ooh.
No, it was until this new candle, this new 3 minute candle opened, and that's what got me thinking about the DXY.
Look, hold on. I got a laptop right here, B. I gotta have both of them up at this point. This is why I have this shit set up the way it is.
What DXY and what you call it?
And GU, bro. I need to see everything right now, bro.
Nah, I feel it, like, cause the way it's looking, bro, DXY. If it don't break this high, bro, it gotta break the high, bro. If it don't break the high, this little 5 minute high to start going back up, I'm probably okay. Boom. If gold cuts it, if it starts to break this order block back to the upside, I'm gonna have to cut one, at least.
Actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to at least cut one and then go break even on the other one, and then just have minor profit on that, and then go forward. But I would love for this
to break this fucking wick or not come back to the low and do something, and it's bad just because that tiny. If you go to the GU 3 minute, not to cut you off, you feel me? You see that tiny ass little order block.
Mm-hmm.
It is using that fucking little bitch ass, fake ass support as an order block, God.
Yeah, let me look. Time frame?
3 minutes.
Oh, the minor support, the neckline?
Yeah.
Yeah,
like, what are you doing, nigga?
You know, yeah.
He's not valid.
It's Asian session though. You feel me? Pre-New York shit. So it's like it's doing it. So this is what I noticed. It does the structural moves and creates structure properly. It just simply sometimes does it slowly.
Bro, you know what's crazy? Go to the 30 and why does this shit look oh so calm?
30 look just nigga no weather. There's no wind, there's no weather. I'm chilling. Like he's literally like he's talking to you like, bro, I'm literally chilling, bro. Like get off me.
Look, I just really do not want this 30-minute double top. Look, I got 15-minute double bottom.
Man, fuck it, bro. This shit looking right, bro. Just keep breaking, cause it's doing all the like every candlestick is low key proper, bro. I ain't going. Oh, DXY breaking the top, nigga. Talk to me. Talk to me.
1 minute in this whole playing, guy. This whole is playing.
What, GU?
Yes.
Ah.
Yo, chill out.
I ain't gonna cap. This nigga really like, bro. The way the Dixie moves and the way it moves everything else, they move exactly inversely, bro. Like every single time this shit moves, I look at gold, it's doing the exact opposite.
Bro, I'm about to smack this bitch, bro.
Bro, it's looking right, bro. It's looking right. Honestly, this would have been, it's basically near the entry that I had the first time, so that's again revalidating it. So let's see, bro.
Bro, 1 minute looks so stormy, it just does not make sense.
That's how the 1 minute be, bro, in low volume times.
Look, I'm watching nigga on the spot. I'm going to the 3.
GU?
On the Dixie, on the laptop, I'm about to have that joint like looking me eye to eye, nigga.
The fucking GU's definitely in a solid order block right now.
Bro, the problem is, I'm like, nigga, I want to cut you, and literally every time when I'm like, all right, bro, I'm finally about to cut, take off, gone, fine.
No, facts. Like, I feel like if you cut, it'll break the fucking order block low.
Bro, fast as hell, like, oh, gone.
No, facts.
Just to go to my TP and then wick out. All right, dude. Look, I'm watching this Dixie, man. You don't have a valid horizontal order block, nigga. You are uptrending. Go. There's nothing you could have stopped that. I'm just gonna let that be known. At least on the lower time frame, there's nothing for this bitch to stop that. You were playing off historical levels to the fucking left from nigga New York.
No, facts. It's doing cool, bro. It's doing cool. It's not looking bad. It keeps trying to my pair keeps trying to break its low, so I like to see it.
The Dixie keep trying to break its high. This nigga is really down bad, B. Stupid ass, nigga. This Halloween, nigga. We don't got no retail, nothing.
Nigga said it's Halloween.
Bro, cause you would think, nigga, it's holiday season, bro. Every time there's a holiday in the U.S., bro, that shit always goes up, bro.
Yeah.
It's always temporary, but it always goes up because hella niggas just spent hella fucking money. And with our fucking tax and interest rate, bitch, what? Shit, and like you feel me? I sent you my notes were so in detail because, nigga, I try to synthesize it as much as possible in the way that it was typed out to you. But nigga, that shit was a whole like page and a half of a bunch of shit that's major, but they're going against each other so much that provides GU should be consolidated, but you're getting movement off of everything, even though it's consolidated. It's just very much so, nigga, the biggest consolidation I've ever fucking seen. I'll say that. Like, if they're gonna call this consolidated, it's consolidated in a range from one for damn near like 14600. That's what it said in the article. That's kind of what I have marked out a little bit closer, more precise to that. 14600 to 16.4, nigga. Like they're saying it's gonna range between this level. I'm like, nigga, that's a lot though. That's a lot of price action, but every confluence is gonna have a major reaction. I'm like, nigga, that's good and bad to hear, nigga. Because you choose your liquidity times and your volume at the most awkward hours ever. Oh, open, we're still dead. 1 in the morning, we're alive, nigga.
Tell me this, what is your GU entry level?
I am at 15135 and the 20 lots at 15125 because it's spread.
Yeah, 15135.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, the way I'm looking at it, bro, it's a pristine, very high level entry to where if you do start to get anxious, I like to think, but you're in profit and you're getting anxious. I mean, as of now, this is the highest level on the chart in terms of what we're looking at right now in terms of this current move. And then the same thing with gold. If you go to my gold trade, which is entered at 39.50, it's like, nigga, like, how honestly, bro, it's hella close to my TP.
Hold on, look, B.
It's 3 pips away from my TP.
You know what I just peeped?
What?
Nigga.
What?
I need to get off the lower time frame sometimes. Go to the 1 hour all across the board.
Hold on. What'd I say? 37? All right, that's the one. Here, let me, hold on, cuz. You said go to 1 hour across the board on your pair?
Go to the Dixie first. You feel me?
All right, Dixie, 1 hour. I'm there.
You mean to tell me coming up to 450 flat isn't valid? Around that level?
Oh yeah, the wikis. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks valid. I feel like it could do that. I think my fear, not even fear, my thought process on it is doing it in one candlestick.
No, I feel that.
You feel me? Like, would it do it in one candlestick?
You have gold marked out and everything from the 4 hour, right?
Yes.
It's 1621, one of your key levels.
Hold on. Because honestly, I'm so close to take profit that I'm waiting to, cause you know how gold be doing, bro. Like, nigga, or not even gold, the currency pairs itself, nigga, they'll go past your TP, but on the fucking shit, it won't knock you out, bro. That'd be that bullshit.
Facts, it don't even want to take it,
bro. It'd be 3 pips past it, and it didn't cut, nigga. You fuck my bitch. And you acting like you didn't fuck my bitch? Like, you're tripping, bro. You're wildin'. But yeah, I gotta wait for it, bro.
My analysis on gold, while it's simplified, tell me your shit doesn't look like, nigga, you most likely definitely have a lot more room than you might have even thought, and you're definitely hitting TP tonight, bro.
That's what I'm saying. And it's like, really, I just need to hit this first one so I can go break even and not give a fuck about the rest. That's really what I need to do. And you said 16 what? 21?
21 flat.
To keep it 1,000 with you, bro, I have 2 levels before that level. So I don't have that marked out right now.
I got you.
You know, you remember how, you know how I be doing.
25?
Say it again.
1625?
So below this 1632 level, my next one is 1627. And not flat, but that's what it is.
Around there?
Yeah, so it's 16. Yeah, so I have a level at 1632 and I have another level at 1627. And I think I got it from the 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. No, I didn't even get that from the 1 hour. Where did I get that from?
That is hella valid though. Shit, actually 1628 is extremely valid on the 1 hour.
Here, let me see. Maybe did I get it from the daily? Okay, so my 1627 level, and actually if I tighten it up a little bit, it's actually 1628. And I got it from the daily. It's the candlestick lows on the daily time frame.
Well, both 1628 and 1621 are very doable.
Yeah. I would, yeah.
I sent you, that shit's hella doable.
So check. My take profit is 1637 flat on gold right now, and it's currently at 1637.13. Should I just take it because I'm tweaking off of a pip?
I need a break.
Am I tweaking off the pip?
You're tweaking low key.
All right. Yeah.
Breaking the high finally. Still with barely the momentum running into the nearest resistance. You is being a slut, B.
Hold on, just know, bro. I close profit.
I'm about to have to, bro, because you're about to make me mad, bro.
Hold on, let me go ahead and 39.40. All right, so for the night, let me go ahead and send that. I lost the first position, so I'm actually still down a little bit for the night because I lost damn near 1% on that first loss.
Nah, we gotta push.
Let me see, GU. Oh yeah, come on now. How much? Hold on, let me see. From your entry, you up, nigga. Nice little 10 plus.
Hold on, bitch. Go back down, nigga.
Hold on.
It was right next to 300, nigga.
Hold on, bitch.
I'm bugging for not taking the 1% anyway.
Hey man, your boy running now at this point. I would love to see this bitch go all the way.
Come on, GU. Go. Leave the level. Just leave it, please. Leave it. Look, I'm up 1%, B.
Come on.
Ranging around. Oh, hella bad.
You said what?
I'm only going for 320 on the dot,
but
I want to cut this whole hella back because I'm up 1%. Now it's playing around a lot.
Let me see. Yeah.
Like I'm not even at 1% no more. I'm at 230.
Wait. Oh yeah, that's $20 down. What you want to do, bro?
Look, I'm still running in profit, but nigga, I need that. It's right there, bro. It's not gonna keep developing new fucking supports and acting like they have that much respect, bro. There's just no way.
I'll say it like this, bro. If you look at the 4 hour, it has definitely created a wick. If you can imagine, the next 4 hour candlestick can create another wick back to the high and then fall again. Cause that's what I noticed, bro. It'd be like this session does create a first leg higher time frame of some shit, and it looks great on the lower time frame, so we take it. But then it'll hit for like a small profit, and then the next session open, it'll restart it again and go test it again and come back.
No, facts, bro. And I'm getting tight, B.
Yeah, I could see this. I can honestly, so I might, I don't want to take it, but I might take it. Take the other one off. Just based off of, I know it can honestly do that, what I just said. Like, if I choose to go to sleep on this, it could easily go back, retest, break even me, not break the candlestick highs, and then do the actual full TP. Because knowing that, hey, bro, this can honestly just be the first leg of a 30-minute double top.
Look, B, I got 15 seconds. I'm not to cut you off. Didn't know if I'm cutting this bitch or not.
15 seconds, the rest of this little time.
I'm watching a 1 minute. Yeah, I needed to break the low.
The 30 looks dumb buttery, though.
Okay, it's breaking. If I get a wick, I'm cutting.
The 30 looks dumb buttery. I can't lie. Hopefully gold's pushing still. Yeah, it is. Cool.
Okay, give me my 300, nigga. Give me my 300, nigga.
Shit, we both closed for 300 on that one.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I closed at 336.
Look, and everything else is going to break even.
At this point, I would call it, even on like a minor tip, I would definitely call it a successful night because my initial thinking, first trade and second trade were off the same exact idea. First trade did lose, but it didn't have to lose. And I could have been a little bit more patient and let it price do what I know it likes to do. But it was all good. I took it knowing that sometimes it just leaves, bro. Fuck it. But that second trade was based off the same idea, and it did hit. At least for, based off this one, risk to reward wise, my first trade hit for a 1-2. You feel me? So a 1-2 is definitely a win in the books. And I do find that to be like our methodology, our action, things like that is we know what I know what the fuck going on. I say that. I know what the fuck going on. So nigga, shit is good. Like I'm confident. I'm ready to, you feel me, finish this week off strong. I know it's only like Monday night going on Tuesday, but finish this week off strong off this same price action behavior. And I'll probably just purchase a challenge over the weekend.
No, I feel that, guys. I'm actually about to move my standard because I have 3 positions. I'm about to move my standard to take profit regardless, even if it wants to come up. And even if it's only just minimal profit, it's better than, and then put the 5 at break even.
The Dixie kind of got me fucked up though. Like I do understand how and why it could go up, but it just don't look right. Because it's a V bottom 30-minute. 1 hour. Bro, it's a V bottom every time frame up to the 4, bro. Like even the 4 is a V bottom. The 1 is the same V bottom. The 30 is the same V bottom.
That's gross.
Yeah, but on the 15 I do see a double bottom, and then the 5 minute I see the double bottom, but yeah. It's definitely gonna have to exhaust. I'll keep it 100. It's gonna have to exhaust. It may even come back and touch this 5 minute, talking about the Dixie, touch this 5 minute resistance and then go back up. Like it could definitely do that, no cap, which would cause some exhaustion on our pairs, but hopefully not enough to go break even automatically and then just go further, break the support.
Nah, facts. I mean, honestly, got well in the year for these next 13 minutes.
What time is it?
If my standard does 200, I mean, I already caught a 4-to-1 entry. If my standard does what it's supposed to do, so we're already exceeded. We're at like 1.5 to 1 on the risk reward ratio.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, 2 to 1 is at the fucking support, nigga.
That's good. Yeah, I feel like like I know there's gonna be action at this support. I know there is.
Action.
There's just gonna be, because like this is literally like this would be the next level that I would have traded if I didn't get the sell at the high. So I'm just glad we called that shit.
If I get any type of rejection here, like if I can't keep this momentum going, I'm actually about to cut it right now around like 175 type shit.
Yeah, because then you would be, see, I noticed that like Raja, like that nigga, not to like always talk about him, but like he'll cut some shit, like he'll be like, yep, I'm going for a 1-to-1. It'd be at like 0.7 type shit, you feel me? He'd be like, I'm gonna just cut it here, it's a win. Like facts, like low key it is, my nigga, like it is. If you get more of those than losses, like you will be in profit type shit. So like that's why I was like, am I tweaking off the 1 pip? Because we be doing that, bro, and taking fat losses trying to get $10 more, $20 more, $40 more. Like nigga, you gonna give back 400 for 15 more dollars, nigga? That's crazy. And call yourself a loss? You're tripping. You're tweaking.
Like, this actually went up a little faster than I could react to. I didn't cut that 175, but it's getting 100 extra regardless, at least 0.5%.
Nah, facts. I mean, look, bro. The more you can have blues in your account, shit, bro. The more balance. It blew back fast. What it do?
Yeah. What is the Dixie doing?
Dixie is.
You'll let me know if I need.
It's exhaust. But no, this is what I told you. I literally said 5-minute time frame. The Dixie can come back and test this 5-minute high bare minimum, period, point blank, and then go back up. So I knew there would be some exhaustion. And especially because it's both pairs, your pair and my pair, came exactly in contact with the area that we knew. That's why we take profits at these levels. Like the GU 5-minute coming in contact with that resistance is going to have to react on that a little bit because niggas have break and retest strategies based off of just, oh, it's tapping it, I'm entering.
No, facts.
You feel me? And that enough people doing that is going to move the market a little bit. Even if it is about to make them lose and go back through, it has to. I noticed like most trades, unless it just flat out loses, most trades make you think they're about to win. Every time you be up, nigga, 3-4 pips, you're like, low key, it looks very correct. I like to see the 3-pip profit. Cool. Flip down 10. Fuck. You fucked me up, bro. That's fucked up, bro. I should have took the 3 fucking. Bro, look at gold. Look at Goldie.
I gotta watch you.
But look at it real quick. Go back. Look at it and go back. Set.
Hey, gold look good though.
Nah, for real. I need GU to do that for you too, though. Cause that push, bro, that's beautiful.
GU acting like it don't want to, bro. What is the Dixie doing?
The Dixie is exhausting.
These niggas got me mad tight, big.
I'll keep it 100. If the Dixie go back up to the top, I feel like gold should fly a little bit more. Hey, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. Nigga, within my trading time frame too, when I'm actually comfortable, that's what's up.
If you don't flip, you stupid whore, bro, I'm about to get so fucking mad, dude.
Yeah, your shit tweaking, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, your shit is reacting exactly with the Dixie. Like you need the Dixie.
Now?
The Dixie?
Yeah, right now in this current moment.
In this current moment is going down. Hold on. Let me look at lower time frame.
Bitch ass Dixie, bro.
It's going down. We got 2 red candles, but it hasn't dug deep into that 5-minute resistance that I said it was gonna retest. It's just sitting at it right now.
I needed to go up, man.
My nigga said, bitch ass Dixie, bro.
Like, please get a 1-minute double bottom if you're gonna flip and respect this level, bro.
So yeah, 5-minute.
Floor,
yeah, 5-minute structure has changed. That's good to see. Yeah, that's a solid one. No cap, no matter what.
Come on.
Yeah, the
fucking break, B.
You're good. Nah, it's cool because the Dixie's still going down. But you're not like, here, let me look at this shit.
That's bad, nigga.
No, I know. I was just saying, like, it's still going down. Like, it's not going down far. It's just still red. So when it flips, you should be okay. Let me see. I wonder why gold pushed down first when the Dixie was also going down. Yo, you hear the Lofi in the back?
Yeah, I'm fucking with it.
The Lofi.
What is the Dixie on, man?
Here, if I look at my,
Bro.
all I know is for the Dixie, bro, there ain't no current news going on for the Dixie. So everything that's happening right now is all forecast trades. That's what it should be.
Getting raped. I should have took the 175.
Let me check. My nigga said, I'm getting raped.
All 50% of my profits, bro. 60%.
God damn. I feel like gold about to do the same thing now, cause that shit pushed and then it just exhausted.
Bro, what is the Dixie on, nigga? What do you niggas choose now to be weak, bro? Oh my god, nigga, are you seeing this?
Let me see. Oh shit. The Dixie's flying. It's flying. Oh yeah, we're fucked. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Bro, Dixie has an issue with me.
The Dixie's flying. I ain't gonna cap. Oh yeah, it's perspirating. Let's see what this next candlestick does. 5 minute.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Are you kidding, bro?
Hold on, let me look at this bitch. Yeah, this shit be funny. I ain't gonna cap. That was big fake out vibes. I ain't gonna cap. Gold did. Gold did a that way. Push. No lie.
Wow, it came up to Ivy. I only made $45 when it could have been $175.
Hold on, why didn't you take the... Wait, you took profit on one, didn't you?
Yeah, I still made $318 tonight.
Okay. We're good.
No, I'm tight, V.
Hey, I'm taking that dub, though. Great analysis, everything like that. So are all trades out now?
No, the 5 is still on there.
Okay. Then, nigga, there's hope. And my thing is, this is the cool thing. Even Jeevan said this shit. He was like, niggas, bro, y'all be entering trades and exiting the trade before it even breaks a level, or not being willing to enter a trade again if it revalidates the level after testing it. Nigga, how you gonna expect to win if you can't even be confident and trust yourself and know that it's not always gonna do it on the first time, but it's gonna do it? So the only reason why I say that is, yeah, price is going back up on GU, 30 minute, all the time frames, whatever. But it could just, if it continues to respect this resistance, it don't even have to be this exact resistance. If it respects the resistance as a whole, especially that wick to the left, and revalidates itself, and you have a stop loss at entry and stop loss above that wick with price near it, I think that's still a valid one. Because look how much bullish push has occurred. Refilled the whole leg. At this point, bro, it's gonna have to do a nice, decent exhaustion before trying to come up and break this level again and actually go to a higher level.
Yeah, you're right.
So let me look at the Dixie. Dixie 30 minute has flipped bearish. And that's what I was looking at, bro. Like the way it made a lower low push phase and it already was exhausting. I was like, damn, if it's done it, when it finishes exhausting, what's the probability of it coming back to retest the low that it made though? And if it does that during this session, it can still respect it and flip and do a higher time frame double bottom, 30 minute 1 hour double bottom, and then go back to the high during London or New York type shit. So I realized with Asian session, bro, like sometimes all you're gonna get Asian session wise in a real respectful way, it's still a win, but more of like a like a smaller, like regular win, like not like a runner win.
Bro, what's crazy is like you can though, at least on like G, you very much so can. You can get a fat ass runner in Asian session, which
Yeah.
is pissed off.
No, I would be very irritated when that. I'd be very irritated when that happens. But I also notice like Asian creates a great level, and then that Asian level can easily be retested for still a valid, you feel me, high of the day. Just tested it, you feel me, 12 hours into the day.
Not fat.
Yeah, it'd be doing that
would
shit.
be like first potential leg type shit, even 1 hour. The only problem is from you and GU, that 1 hour looks terrible, bro. Like I didn't like how that whole shit flipped and whipped out.
Yeah.
30 still valid, you feel me? But it might come up to entry and make this a break even trade because I'm not taking any losses.
No, I feel that. Yeah, I'm definitely ain't taking no more losses for the day, or at least not for this session type shit. So, yeah, I took the three something. First of all, I lost the first position like 500, and then I just took that partial one for like 3 something. So I'm still down like 150, 200 for the day, but that's light though.
No, that's, you feel me? That's hella light. Especially
Yeah.
150.
Yeah.
That's light.
I'm only down like barely 0.5% for the day. But if this one wants to break even, I'll take the, you feel me, 0.5% loss for the session or for the day, that's pretty much within anybody's risk management. You feel me? Everybody's, if you're not willing to lose at least 0.5%, you don't want to win nothing. Then at that point, that's where I be at. Like, nigga, if as soon as I realize if you're willing to take a loss big, that's when you'll be able to take a big win. Because the only way you could put on a big trade is if you know and can accept I might lose 2.5%, but fuck it, I can low key go get 5% though, and that might have to be worth it right now.
No, facts.
Facts, nigga. Facts. Fuck it.
Bro, the only thing that has me mad is like I know this shit was right, and I almost wanna show back up in 2 hours, nigga. Like I know this shit is right, bro. I know it is.
I high-key feel that, I ain't gonna lie. But shit, I would call it for now just to honestly keep my energy, healthy. I think I'm gonna hop off now because it's 9.
Yeah, you're good, B. I mean, we still do what we had to do. I mean, you took a minor loss today, but we've already exceeded what the fuck we were trying to do anyway.
Yeah, I saw this trade, even though I had 2 positions, I saw this shit up 600. So I knew if I would have just took the whole thing, I would have took maybe a 0.5% win for the day instead of being at a 0.5% loss. But if I let this bitch run and it hits overnight, nigga, we're up and I'm sending you some shit.
Oh, you're still in there?
Nigga, I'm in, bro. Literally, like, nigga, I got a 15 lot running, currently sitting up. Let me look. Currently sitting up 320.
So look, is yours moved to break even though?
Yeah.
Like,
It's a pip in profit to cover that spread, because even if it hits break even, I still want that number to be blue.
I feel that so tough.
You feel me? You're not gonna have me with a negative red $7. No, I did not lose. Shut the fuck up.
I'm about to break this phone, dude.
Yeah, I feel actually your shit look good.
Bro, but look at the fact that nigga the shit came up to where I moved my shit, so like once it broke all that, moved that shit because niggas was about to hop off. Then it came up precisely to 150.80.
Did it tap you out?
Tap me out.
Oh.
The fuck away. 5 is still in this standard. That's why I'm tight, B. Look, it's right back at 175.
Literally, and gonna go beyond it.
Bro, I'm so fucking mad.
Wait, so which one got cut?
The standard.
No! Not the standard! For break even?
The standard made $45, bro.
No! Not the fucking 4 pips!
Bro. I'm angry, bro. That shit I be talking about, bro. Niggas be trying to play good defense, bro. How the fuck? This is the only thing in the world I know that you can play too good of defense.
It's facts, because that was too good. Look, you know what that was? Good defense, better offense, bitch. By the market. He said layup. And foul and one.
Bro, this is some old bullshit, bro. Like, it came right back to where I needed. It just had to range around for what? For what?
Look, if you look at gold 15 minute, then look at GU 15 minute.
Bro, in all due respect, fuck gold. I'm so fucking mad.
Look, at least it's the only pair of nigga trades now though. So like at least I can learn it a lot better.
I'm so bad.
Bro, give me love, bro. Give me love. I would love, honestly, bro, your shit does look kind of gross, no cap. But I strongly believe, I should say, not even think, that this order block, once it's broke, you will get a lot of movement. So at that point, you can at least look forward to that if you still have those other positions in.
Just a vibe, bro. It's only because it's just a vibe.
Yeah, I'll throw up if that's all I had in there, based off what I had in there.
Like, nigga, we're at $200 in profit right now, bro.
With the 5?
No, with the standard. It would have been at 200 right now. Cut, done.
Cut, done.
Would have been up 2% tonight.
But look, let's peep that though. Let's peep that for the next time though. In terms of you had the thought like, bro, I'm literally only 2.5 pips away from the TP, like from the TP. Why would I just not take it now, knowing that even if it does go that extra 2.5 pips and I wasn't in it, at least I took that 17. You feel me? At least I took that 17 to where nigga I could recoup that 25 in another trade. But recouping the 170, a little different.
So no, like we already know that's not. Man, that's a whole different TP.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I'm tight.
It's good, man. But I'm out of here though. All right.
Yeah, you good, B. I'm gonna hit you tomorrow, man. We back on it.
All right, bet. Love. Yeah, let's call that a night.